Ahead of the assembly elections, on the one hand, you've heard the Aam Aadmi Party and the BJP also fighting a bitter battle to win over the heart of Delhi. But there's also a parallel fight that's going on. Aam Aadmi Party versus the Congress Party battle that's playing out in Delhi. A day after Ajay Maken teased that he would be addressing a press conference to expose Kejriwal as anti-national, the event was postponed on Sunday, citing lack of documentation. However, the Aam Aadmi Party used this cancellation to revive its charge of the Congress Party colluding with the BJP. It said that the briefing was postponed because of a delay in receiving a script from the BJP. This was shortly after Arvind Kejriwal had alleged that there is a collusion between the BJP and the Congress Party for the upcoming polls. He also dared the two parties to announce that they are contesting the elections together. Countering the charge, the Congress claimed that it is the Aam Aadmi Party that is hand in glove with the BJP and that both parties follow the ideology of the RSS. Listen into the war of words.
पंजाब की सारी महिलाएं हमारे साथ हैं, उनको आम आदमी पार्टी पे भरोसा है। ये कांग्रेस की और बीजेपी वालों की, कांग्रेस और बीजेपी को औपचारिक रूप से ऐलान कर देना चाहिए कि वो मिलके गठबंधन में ये चुनाव लड़ रहे हैं आम आदमी पार्टी के साथ।
हम लोग बार बार कह रहे हैं, तो आप देखो केजरीवाल जी ने भी चिट्ठी लिखी थी मोहन भागवत को। क्यों? वो कौन बनते हैं आपके? आदमी तो उन्हीं को चिट्ठी लिखता है ना जो अपने होते हैं। जब इनको दिक्कत हुई बीजेपी से तो रोते रोते भागे आरएसएस के पास। कभी कभी गलती से क्या करते हैं, अपना केजरीवाल अपना असली रूप बाहर दिखा देते हैं।
So you heard the political war of words that's taking place. Amid this, the Congress leader Shama Mohammed has put out a post on social media platform X where she says Arvind Kejriwal and his party, the Aam Aadmi Party, must leave the India bloc instead. Remember, this comes in the backdrop of the statements that have been made by the Congress and the Aam Aadmi Party just a week earlier, where the Aam Aadmi Party wanted the Congress Party ousted.
आज दिल्ली की दुर्दशा और कांग्रेस कमजोर केवल इस वजह से हुई है कि हमने 2014 में उनका समर्थन 40 दिन के लिए किया था। आज दिल्ली की दुर्दशा का एक सबसे बड़ा कारण ये, मैं कभी भी इस चीज का पक्षधर नहीं रहा हूं, ना था और ना रहूंगा कि केजरीवाल जैसे व्यक्ति के ऊपर भरोसा किया जा सकता है। वो एंटी नेशनल है और उसकी कोई विचारधारा नहीं है सिवाय अपने पर्सनल एम्बिशन के।
मैं मांग करता हूं कांग्रेस पार्टी से कि 24 घंटे के अंदर अजय माकन के खिलाफ कार्रवाई करें, वरना इंडिया गठबंधन के जो और भी घटक दल हैं उनसे हम लोग मांग करेंगे कि कांग्रेस को इंडिया गठबंधन से अलग करें।
Well, citing the war of words, the BJP has said that the Congress and the Aam Aadmi Party have a friendship of convenience and questioned the Aam Aadmi Party as to why is it that it is still part of the India bloc.
पंजाब में 1000 रुपए महिलाओं को नहीं देंगे, यहाँ पर भी केवल घोषणाएं करेंगे जिसको वादा पूरा कभी करते नहीं। जैसे यमुना की सफाई हो, प्रदूषण मुक्त दिल्ली हो, तार मुक्त दिल्ली हो या 20 नए हॉस्पिटल की जो घोषणा की थी वो वादे तो पूरे किए नहीं और केवल आरोप लगाकर भाग जाना है। कहना है कि कांग्रेस और बीजेपी एक साथ है, कांग्रेस बीजेपी की बी टीम है। चलिए कम से कम बीजेपी ए टीम है ये तो माना, पर सवाल ये बनता है कि कांग्रेस बीजेपी के साथ है तो आप इंडिया अलायंस में उनके साथ क्यों हैं?
My colleague Sabyasachi is joining us on the broadcast with the details. Sabyasachi, the Aam Aadmi Party versus the Congress fight continues, and in the national capital it's going to be interesting how this plays out because time and again the parties are making big allegations against each other.
Well, that's right, Pratibha. See, Congress leader Ajay Maken in the past has called Arvind Kejriwal as anti-national. In fact, he stated that in the coming days he's going to hold a press conference where he's going to prove why did he called Mr. Arvind Kejriwal as anti-national. Now, we had seen that strong reaction also came in from the Aam Aadmi Party, which said that they are giving a deadline of 24 hours to the Congress Party and its high command, that within this 24 hours, the Congress Party must take action against Mr. Ajay Maken, or the Aam Aadmi Party will speak to the other partners of the India bloc to throw out the Congress Party of the alliance. Now, the Congress leader Shama Mohammed has also put out a post in social media X stating that it is the Aam Aadmi Party who should be thrown out of the alliance. So clearly both the political parties exchanging barbs against each other, whereas the Aam Aadmi Party stating that the Congress is a B team of the BJP and the Congress is colluding with the BJP in attacking the Aam Aadmi Party. On the other hand, the Congress also leveling similar allegation against the Aam Aadmi Party, stating that the Aam Aadmi Party shares the same sort of ideology with the BJP and the RSS. In fact, it is a party without any sort of ideology and it has been working for their personal benefits. So clearly the war of words only escalating before the all-important Delhi polls, as both the political parties are now trading guns at each other, stating that both the political parties should be thrown out of the India bloc.
Okay, all right.